Want more app installs? Check out Apple Search Ads. Links are in the description. Apple Search Ads is the platform for app developers to connect with high-intent users directly in the App Store. Whether you're a startup or an established brand, Apple Search Ads offers two options, basic and advanced. Basic is perfect for simplified, automated campaigns. Set a monthly budget up to $10,000 and let Apple optimize your placements based on a cost-per-install model. Advanced gives you full control. Choose your keywords, demographics, and bidding strategies with a cost-per-tap model, paying only when users tap your ad. Target users searching for apps like yours with keyword matching, negative keywords, and audience refinements like location, device, and user status. Test different ad variations with creative sets and track performance in real time, monitoring impressions, taps, installs, and cost per acquisition. Integrate with platforms like Adjust, AppsFlyer, and Branch for post-install analysis. Apple Search Ads delivers high-intent users and strong ROAS with premium placements, precise targeting, and a user-friendly interface. Ready to boost your app downloads? Get started with Apple Search Ads today. Links are in the description.